In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this JAMB economics problems under the subtopic effects of inflation deflation. So guys, we have 9 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, in Nigeria, a fall in supply of petrol would generally affect the general price level in the country, imports of goods and services, exports of goods and services. We have exchange rate of the naira. So in Nigeria, a fall in supply of petrol will generally affect the we have option A, that's the right answer, general price level in the country. Okay, next question is this one. It says a change in the pump price of petrol in Nigeria has a direct effect on the real prices of consumer goods, prices of essential goods, cost of transportation, cost of raw materials. The right answer is option C, which is cost of transportation. Next question is this one. It says a persistent rise in the general level of prices implies we have an increase in some places, a one-time rise in prices, that the higher the price level, the more the value of money, a steady fall in the purchasing power of the money. So the right answer is option D, which is a persistent rise in the general level of prices implies a steady fall in the purchasing power of the money. Next question is this one. It says the price index computed between two times period is given as 128%. This implies that the real disposable incomes have increased by 28%, living standards have fallen by 28%, living standards have fallen by 1 to 8%, living standards have risen by 1 to 8%. So guys, the right answer is option B, which is living standards have fallen by 28%. So the price index is always 100%. Okay, so when you subtract 100 from 1 to 8, you are going to have 28. So it shows that living standards are falling by 28%. The next question is this one. It says given a base year and price index of 175%, the following year, which of the following will arise? The value of money falls by 75%, the cost of living decreases in that year, the cost of living remains unchanged, the value of money rises by 75%. So the right answer is option A, which is the value of money falls by 75%. Next question is this one. It says in a period of inflation, the function of money as a standard of deferred payment becomes detrimental to the creditors only, debtors and creditors, government. The right answer is option A, which is creditors only. Next question is this one. It says the negative effect of inflation is we have a reduction in burden of debt, increased employment, debt gain, fall in standard of living. The right answer is option D, which is fall in standard of living. Okay, next question is this. It says the negative effect of inflation is fall in standards of living, debt gain, increased employment, reduction in burden of debt. I think I already answered this question. So it's option A. It leads to fall in standard of living. Okay, so this basically can do problems around the subtopic effect of inflation deflation for your JAMB economics practice with 9 repeated questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to be question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the JAMB button and getting premium information and help you to study and snare exams like your JAMB and other snare exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the next. Now we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.